On today's Apple Daily, Steve Jobs to be remembered with a statue in the National Garden of American Heroes. Foxconn gets go-ahead for factory in Vietnam. And Apple's next MacBooks could ditch aluminium for titanium and polymer.
For the latest Apple news, rumors, and leaks every weekday at 12 UTC. Join us in the iCave.
I'm iCaveDave, and if you want the latest Apple news, leaks and rumours every weekday at 12 UTC, like this video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you don't miss a thing. And if you do ring the bell, make sure you comment #NotificationSquad down in the comments so that I know that you've done it and I can thank you at the end of the video, just like the guys at the end of this one. So let's get into the news. I think we've got one that nobody else is talking about today. Steve Jobs to be remembered with a statue in the National Garden of American Heroes. Apple founder Steve Jobs will be memorialised in the National Garden of American Heroes, along with hundreds of others once completed. The National Garden will be built to reflect the awesome splendour of our country's timeless exceptionalism, according to the executive order. Among the other statues to feature in the garden, set to be completed by July 4th, 2026, are Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Nikola Tesla, Walt Disney, Albert Einstein, Ruth Bader Ginsberg and Kobe Bryant. Foxconn gets the go-ahead for a new factory in Vietnam. Foxconn has been granted a new license for a $270 million plant in Vietnam in order to diversify away from its China-heavy operations. The plant is expected to be building MacBooks and iPads for Apple after urging Foxconn to move some of their production out of China in November of last year. The plant is thought to be able to produce 8 million devices per year and represents 10,000 new jobs to be created this year. Apple's next MacBooks could ditch aluminium for titanium and polymers. A patent has been published, information via Patently Apple, last week covering MacBooks and iDevices using a titanium base with polymer or glass coverings. It wouldn't be the first time that Apple has used titanium in its notebooks, as in 2001 Apple released the Titanium PowerBook G4. Titanium is a great material for a notebook with better strength to weight ratio than plain old aluminium or polymers individually.
Sitting down, 1 inch thick, 5.3 pounds, and this again, titanium. It's made out of titanium, like the spy planes. This is an incredible material. It's stronger than steel, yet lighter than aluminum.
Together though, some of our previous rumours and patents could be coming to fruition soon. Apple for quite a while has had a number of patents around charging iPhones and peripherals wirelessly, but of course with an aluminium chassis it's been pretty hard to understand how this could work, as the patents showed these items charging via the palm rests. With this patent added into the mix, it seems Apple could use this polymer coating over the surface and there could be a different but colour matched material under the clear polymer layer that is far more transparent to the electrical field for charging. In the past, one of the big issues with having polymer layer over metal has been adhesion, how to keep the polymer layer attached. In this patent, a process of creating tiny pores in the titanium is described, essentially creating a keyed surface that the polymer can combine with to keep it attached well to the metal surface. This polymer can also be used as a dielectric material to reduce electromagnetic interference as well as insulate splits between different parts of the frame electrically. There's also mention that the pores in the titanium could absorb colour pigments before the polymer coating is applied, so that could indicate that coloured MacBooks could be on the way to make an appearance, though whether we would go beyond the current space grey and gold options outside of the standard silver is yet to be seen. So in summary, we could be looking at M1X powered MacBook Pros that are lighter and thinner than before, and according to other reports with mini LED displays, better 4K FaceTime cameras, Face ID, with a flat base and top design that looks pretty similar to the iPad Pro in new colours that could wirelessly charge your phone, AirPods and more. Or, of course, not all of these things, but probably at least some of them. It is an exciting time to be a Mac fan. New members of the Notification Squad today, BT and Bra, why are you reading this? So, thanks for the cool username that is just Bra, why are you reading this? You made me giggle. I assume you just go around to as many videos as you can just to get people to say that. But hey, you won. So it seems like we're in a little bit of a rut in quietness of news right now. So if you've got any questions that you want me to answer on any of our coming up shows, all you need to do is use #iCaveAnswers in the comments with any questions that you've got. I would love to answer any of your Apple-based questions, or even just general tech stuff, but I know a lot more about Apple than the other things. Fingers crossed we should have some events on the way pretty soon, but until then, get involved, give me your questions down there, and I would love to answer them for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.